One of the neatest things right now in the data and AI space is the agents as your companion, the agents as your collaborator. For so many analysts in the organization, so many employees in the organization that want to define trends and insights and product ideas or customer experience ideas, were stymied by a lack of skills or needed training or needed to learn SQL or syntax. We're at the cusp of those days being over. So the agent is your companion in the data space is amazing. We call it the contextual-aware enterprise, if you will, of bringing together your structured transactional customer insights plus your unstructured information and data from the internet in whole new experiences. It's amazing.
And I loved how, off camera we said this, the magic sauce. That's your magic sauce there.
It is magic in the sense that employees today, analysts today in the organization are the boss of a team of agents that can do work in whole new novel ways. And that is quite magical.